Hi guys, Steve Brocklehurst here, and I wanted to walk you through a case study. So what I've done here is I've created something for the radio station I'm involved with called Rockin Daddys Radio in Somerset in the UK. I wanted to have an automated way of getting my what's-ons for me so I don't have to keep going and get them. So I'm using ChatGPT version 4, and this comes in. It logs into ChatGPT using TaskMagic. In fact, I've used Chrome profile and I've saved my cookies in the Chrome profile. It comes down, it'll say, please get me 10 what's-ons in the Bath area from Google. Rewrite them and put them into a spreadsheet with the following title, description and date as the tag headlines. Now, when this runs, I'm planning on adding Google Sheets to this eventually and making the word Bath a step. So when I want a particular location, I can just go and grab the what's-ons very, very easily. Then it goes enter. It waits for about 30 odd seconds. It then scrapes the list it's made. So I'm going to press play. You'll see it running. I love TaskMagic because where I was using the API in Publi Connect, I found, genuinely speaking, that it cost me credits. Using it this way, I'm paying $20 a month to run this, and it's just great. So now what it's going to do, it's going to type my prompt into ChatGPT. Word of warning with this, don't run it again and again and again and again, because ChatGPT will start asking you to verify a heck of a lot. So I run this, I'd say, once a week or something like that. I've been doing a lot of testing today to make sure it runs regularly, and so I can run this once a week and bring up new dates on here. So as you can see now, it's going down. It's going to grab that first one, then it should wait a moment. I put a delay in this only because I don't want ChatGPT thinking I'm doing anything untoward. So it's grabbed the first column here. It's going to wait a moment or two, then it's going to grab this column, then it's going to wait a moment or two and grab that column. And then when we're done, it's going to close off, and I'll be able to look back at the date. There we go, there's the middle column, and now it's going to grab the last column as well. Let's just give it a moment or two. And once it grabs it, we can look at the data that's come in to the system. There we go, it's grabbed the third column. And now it's going to wait a little bit longer, and then it's going to end and close down. I like to put a little bit of delay on it, just in case it didn't capture the data right. I can view what's going on. I can always remove that step if I want. But I'm going to leave it in, personally. And this is a great use case for your cloud minutes, if you plan on getting the cloud minutes while it's on offer. So the last run was this one here. I'm going to click on that, data out. And now you can see there's going to be an event at the Bath Festival. It's going to give me the data I want, and it's going to say the date. And so then if you want to, you can send it to Google Sheets, send it to a webhook, send the data on to wherever you want to send it to once you've got that data that's come in. And I said we can click in here, we can look at this, and we can confirm the data's good. My plan is to send this to a webhook, which will then auto-post inside a WordPress and generate the post for these events one by one, and then I'll say to it, run it once a month. I'm probably going to change the prompt a little bit and have location and also the month I want it to search for. Remember this, if you plan on doing more than 10 like I've done in mine, make sure you do it the first time, and then when you scrape these 3 here, it means that way then the data scraped is going to be passed over to your Google Sheets or wherever you want it. Hopefully that's a helpful use case. If you can download a CSV there and save it and upload it into your Google Sheets to carry on from there if you want. I like the webhook feature that I can send it on to WordPress or into Publi Connect. That's another option you've got, or any other app that uses webhooks. If you like this, please comment down below, and thanks for watching.